Presenting a pre-owned 2011 Jeep Grand Cherokee Laredo 4-wheel drive. This 4-door SUV has a 6-cylinder, 3.6-liter V6 engine, with 4-wheel drive, and an automatic transmission. This Jeep has less than 102,000 miles on the odometer. Estimated fuel economy for this vehicle is 16 miles per gallon in the city, and 22 miles per gallon on the highway. This vehicle is in excellent overall condition. Key features include air filtration, front air conditioning, airbags, auxiliary audio input, satellite radio, anti-lock brakes, cruise control, power steering, power windows, external temperature display, child seat anchors, seat belt force limiters, power door locks, stability control, traction control, rear privacy glass, and window defogger.